Good evening, everyone. My name is Nanette Harris, and this is my workstation, also known as Learning Station or Learning Center. My Learning Center is based on math and science, the 5 stages of clouds. The students learn in the station about clouds in different clouds and weather. They also learn how to predict the forecast for the day, the month, and the week. Students will look at the sky and determine what they see as far as the shape of the cloud, the color of the cloud, and how low the cloud is to the ground. In the workstation, um, there are many different things that are available in the workstation for them to do. One part would be what is a cloud? And then it gives them a list, a worksheet of different shapes of clouds, and they need to list which type of cloud that is. Like, is it a cirrus cloud? Is it a cumulus cloud? Is it a stratus cloud? And there's several pictures that they would look at and try to determine what clouds they're talking about. Here's an example of what the learning station would look like. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it has the different forms of clouds and the different sets of questions that would ask them, like what is a cloud? The next part of the learning station was the math portion. In the math portion, they would be using addition and subtraction to learn how to for each cloud. The example that I have is a folder game, and in that folder game they would match the cloud to the correct umbrella. And I don't know if you can see this, but each umbrella has a different equation on it. And in the equation, this one is 4 minus 11. So they would put the other cloud, like this one, of what the 4 minus 11 would be. This one is 10 minus 2 on the umbrella, and underneath it they would match it with the cloud. And of course that cloud would be number 8. And they would do that for addition, and they would also do it for subtraction. In that learning station, they would also do other mathematical problems, such as cloud addition, cloud division, and cloud subtraction, where they would actually have word problems. And they would figure out these word problems by, number one, Monday's temperature was 81 degrees, and Tuesday's temperature was 26 degrees cooler. How much hotter was it on Monday? So then they would do the equation, 81 minus 26, and then they would have the equation. So it has word problems for them also. For the students that are in a different learning style, which they may be more challenged and may need a little bit more support and work, there would also be additional problems for them, which would include either multiple choice or less problems for them to do, and also give them more direction and better instructions for them to complete the task, and have them try to complete the task on their own without that much assistance. But that was my learning station for Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs, and it included science and also math. Thank you and have a great evening.